Alright everybody, welcome to another episode of the HiccUP. This is basically our reviews on different topics. Today we're going to actually review Guardians of the Galaxy. We both saw it yesterday. We have our opinions. We're going to talk about 5 different things that we enjoyed during the movie. So first things first. By the way, this is not a spoiler-free review. So this is your chance to actually, if you have not seen the movie, go ahead, pause it right now where you're at. Don't worry, YouTube will probably save it. You can go back later, watch this review and everything like that. So, as always, I'm Freddy. This is CosplayCass. So, first things first. Let's talk about, like I said, spoilers. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, if you were in the kitchen making yourself a popcorn, that's your problem. We warned you. Alright, so what was your favorite part of the movie? Well, let's not talk about favorite parts in order. Let's go backwards. So, least favorite part.
First, we're talking about Guardians of the Galaxy.
Guardians of the Galaxy 2, okay. Volume 2.
Second movie. What was that?
The problem is, when you're rolling in a turd, you gotta kind of see things. So, anyway, nothing. I'm just explaining to them why you looked outside. We're actually driving along. These reviews are done while we're driving. Oh. Okay, so that's besides the point. Can we get to the review, please? Okay, thank you.
Alright, the new characters. Let's say Ego,
the planet, yes.
Ego, the living planet.
The living planet. Very old character in the Marvel series. He's also Quill's father. What'd you think about that? You kind of knew the whole idea of Guardians of the Galaxy. What'd you think?
Why'd you have to say that?
What?
Well, I mean, I don't know what you're asking.
I said, what was your least favorite part of the movie?
Oh, it was a little dramatic. Like,
dramatic?
If you thought about it, if you, like, got out of the that turn where you're just watching a movie and you're totally into it, but once you get out of it, and you look at it, you're like, this is really dramatic for a Guardians of the Galaxy movie.
Well, I think they established a really good balance of going from dramatic to comedy to action.
Yeah, they did.
It's almost like real life. Hey, you can start today all happy, and by the end of the day be pissed off or sad or anything like that. So I think it struck a good balance and a real good chord. It was sometimes a little corny, but it's one of those movies I don't think you can take too seriously, because if not, you're not going to enjoy it. I mean, for peace sake, there's a talking raccoon and a talking tree in the movie.
Don't make fun of Rocket.